Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can import your browser or browsing data on Zen Browser from another browser like Brave or Google, Chrome or Edge, and so on and so forth. For this tech tutorial, for this example, we're going to use the Brave browser, but the process is actually the same for any browser out there. So let us dive into this. So launch the Zen browser on your device. Navigate to your browser settings by clicking into these three dots here in the top left. Select Settings. Here in your browser settings, what you want to do is navigate to General, and here under Import Browser Data, including your bookmarks from other browsers, your browsing history, installed extensions, if these extensions are supported here by Zen Browser, of course, that's the premise here. Autofill data and so on and so forth can be imported by clicking into this button. Then click into that drop-down menu and choose your browser. I will go with, as previously mentioned, Brave. Click into Import, and then you will see a list of data that has been imported. One bookmark, the browsing history. There is no autofill data, so just these two elements. Click into Done, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.